Meanwhile, the government turns up the heat on influencers promoting illegal online gambling, with the Cybercrime Investigation Coordinating Center giving them until today to voluntarily take down promotional content or face legal action. Starting next week, influencers who fail to comply will be issued notices and possibly charged, as authorities warn that promoting illegal sites, no matter the number of followers, is already a crime. Harley Valbuena narrates the report.
I'm constrained to give them up till today, the end of the day, para ho sila nang magkusa na tanggalin na ho, tigilan yung pagpopromote ng mga illegal online gambling sites. Starting next week ho, CICC will take action.
This is the warning issued by the Cybercrime Investigation and Coordinating Center against social media influencers and content creators who promote illegal online gambling. This is part of the intensified campaign against rampant operation of illegal online gambling in the country. Starting next week, CICC will send notices to explain to influencers who won't comply with their deadline. Then the agency will give them 5 days to comply. And if they will submit unsatisfactory answers, cases will be filed against them.
The law does not require na merong number of viewers, correct? The fact that that person, for example, has advertised an illegal gambling site and even encouraged, so it already constitutes in itself as a crime.
Anti-online illegal gambling advocate Digital Pinoys added that by endorsing illegal online gambling, influencers earn lucratively as high as 10 million pesos.
If we're going to base doon sa lifestyle na pinoproject nila, they could be earning around 10 million pataas eh. Napakasarap ng buhay, ano po, may mga mansyon, may mga sports car.
CICC has already identified 150 websites possibly used for illegal gambling, and it is monitoring 20 big social media influencers but declines to name them for now. It also warned that even if the influencers comply with the deadline, they are still not yet off the hook, especially if the online gambling sites they advertise were able to victimize bettors through game manipulation and cheating.
One of the dangers of illegal online gambling is hindi natin nare-regulate. Ibig sabihin, hindi natin malalaman kung na-manipulate din yung gambling nila, na-manipulate yung results, na-manipulate yung mechanism ng gambling nila.
Hindi na nila ma-cash out yung mga napanalunan nila. After nila manalo, ni-restrict yung access nila dun sa platform, so hindi na nila makuha yung winnings nila.
Meanwhile, Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation or PAGCOR ordered the immediate removal of all billboards and out-of-home gambling advertisements as part of stricter regulation on promotion of gambling in public places. Licensees, suppliers, system administrators, and gaming venue operators are also tasked to take down gambling ads, including those displayed in trains, bus, jeep, and taxis. They are given until August 15 to comply. They should also submit inventory of all existing billboard and wallscape ads until July 16. Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.